We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone, and that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.